My watch is protected using this nice travel case. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this travel watch case. So this is going to be a 1 month review video. So let's get into it and let me show you how the product looks, feature it has, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So this is how the case looks. It's made out of a premium leather surface. You can see it's a nice green color. The stitching are nicely done. This has 2 snap buttons here, so that way that is securely locked in place. So when you undo it, so you got your 2 buttons there. Has a nice micro suede material on the inside, so it's going to protect the face of the watch and the band. So it holds the watch nice and securely inside. And then this comes off, so it has a slide right here, and even on the inside it has a nice suede material. Okay, and then when you're ready to use the watch, you just slide it off. Okay. And it slides like this. I found it easier just to attach it to the last hole if it's a watch like this, or you just do it with a clasp and you just slide it on, so it holds it nice and securely, and it's not gonna scratch the inside because of this nice micro suede material. And then you slide it like so, make sure that it's all the way pushed down, and then you just fold it, and then it snaps in place. So this will protect your watch whenever you're traveling with it. You can also use this case to display your watches. So I'm showing off my watch right here. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great travel watch case. I like how the outer shell is made out of a nice premium leather material. I also like the color. I like that it has the 2 snap buttons right here to securely close this. And I also like how the inside is a nice micro suede material. So it's gonna keep the watch scratch free and protected while it's inside here. So this is a great buy.